And hello YouTube, and this is Blader Ziyo, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Beyblade Burst B12 Starter Deathscyther Overall Accel. And it is from Takara Tomy, and this is the back of the box for the stats and everything. And now let's get with the unboxing. So there you go, these are all the parts here, and as usual the stickers comes in there, and there's the instructions to put on stickers, and yeah. It's there. So let's get on to the close-up. Okay, and here's the close-up. So we'll start with Deathscyther here. Very unique design. Looks like we got some edges here, like this design here. A nice kind of fiery, ghostly envelope, or flames. And then we got, these are the jagged parts here for the burst system. There's a screw, so if you need to change the color and stuff of the part. So it's pretty cool. And then we have the face right here, or the eyes. Nice design. It actually reminds me of B-12 from the plastic generation. A bit, or like Frosted Bronzer. Pretty neat. So, and next up we have Oval, or Oval, whatever way you pronounce it. I actually like this one because it's very different from the other, the rings, or weight discs. I call them weight discs, but yeah. Very interesting. It has that oval shape, a nice design. It's the bottom. Then we have the driver. Very good, cool design here. Kind of a see-through purple. And then it is a flat for a tip. And we have attack. Or actually not Accel. Yeah. And there we go. So now I'll go on to the blade all finished. And here's the blade all finished. Pretty nice. So, there we go, and now we're going to go on to the test spin. Okay, now we're back with the test spin. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this Beyblade Burst unboxing of Deathscyther. And yeah, Wyvern's going to be coming up next, so stay tuned for that one. So yeah. Till next time. Oh, please leave a comment in the comment section. Feel free to like this video. And yeah, this is Blader Ziyo signing out, and I'll see you later.